seasons do not wither its youth, and outstanding individuals emerge from this line of heroes. The elegance and beauty of Quannan's natural treasures were immortalized over 500 years by the Ming Dynasty philosopher Wang Yangming during his travels here. Quannan County is known as the South Gate of Jiangxi. It's the forefront of the central region connecting Guangdong, Hong Kong and Macau. Quannan boasts 3 national 4A level scenic spots, 2 provincial 4A level scenic spots, and 3 provincial 3A level rural tourism destinations. Quannan offers a range of high-quality routes and themes for green recuperation, Hakka and Yao culture, ecological leisure, and sports and health. Let's meet in Quannan, a place of extreme beauty, to refresh our spirits in the long history. Sipping a cup of Hakka Lei Tea, singing a song of cart, horse and light, dancing with an incense dragon, or jumping to the rhythm of the flower stick dance. Immerse yourself in history and converse with the ancients and your own heart. Stepping on the green slate, touching the carved cloister, and crossing the courtyard of the enclosed house, we will inadvertently slow down our pace as we wash away the dust and soothe our souls. Let's meet in Quannan, a place of extreme beauty, and refresh our lungs in its pure nature. The distinct 4 seasons offer a mild climate. The forest coverage rate is 83.3%. The air is saturated with over 10 negative oxygen ions per cubic centimeter, earning it the title of Natural Oxygen Bar. The water quality is above grade 2 all the year round. You can taste the natural purity and sweetness by taking a handful of mountain spring water. Green vegetables, ecological grapes, Ganodemon lucidum in the forest, blueberry wines, polygonatum tea, and selenium-rich rice. These foods unlock the genetic code of the longevity village. Let's meet in Quannan, a place of extreme beauty, to enjoy the elegant and beautiful scenery. Quannan, a picturesque county, has delightful scenes everywhere. Tianlong Mountain, Meizi Mountain, Yuanming Mountain and Tianpai Mountain stand shrouded in mist. Longshan Lake, Taojiang River and Huangtian River are glittering and sky-cleared. The athletes in the town of Rockline are graceful. Taojiang River passes through the city with beautiful scenery on both sides of the river. Taking a walk through the countryside, there are more beautiful fields and dreamlike hometowns. Let's meet in Quannan, a place of extreme beauty, where we can really loosen up in tranquility and in its exquisite beauty. Quannan is an important gathering place of Hakka. Its people are sincere and friendly. They've been working, studying, and thriving from generation to generation. Quannan has the only one administrative village of Yao in the province, where its own ethnic language, costumes, and life habits are conserved. In Quannan, you can enjoy peace, tranquility, and purity. With a veil uncovered, the beauty of Quannan is coming out of the mountains, striding to Great Bay area and to the hearts of every tourist. Quannan, a place of extreme beauty, is more beautiful than amazing painting. We're here, waiting for you to come.